YouTubers, Back Energy back here, and today I'll be doing a deck profile on my Aquaforce deck. So, starter will be either Eric or Aqua Breath Draco Kid. The skills, you can pause, and I already said the name. This is 4 Maelstroms. This is the original copy. This is like a proxy, but I actually printed out the card. As you can see, it's reading your sample. Print out a card and put a card behind it, whatever. 3 of those. Please do not write some comments like saying I'm cheating or whatever. I know it's not allowed, but I'm just printing. These are only played with my friends because I know some shops don't allow it. 1, Naval Gazer Dragon. 3 Diamantes or whatever. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Then I have 4 10K Vanillas, 1 Argos, one of these, I don't know what's his name, but you can go check him out. 3 of these Special Interceptors, and 4 Perfect Guard. These are also printed out. It's the same thing. 2 10K boosters, 1 to 9K 4 more attack boosters, whatever. Give me a moment. 4 8K vanillas, 3 7K kind of last one get 1000 power. 2 of these commandos for triggers. I play play 8 crits, 2 Mothership Intelligence, and 4 Battleship Intelligence. 8 crit. And the rest are about standard. 4 heals. 4 stands, I guess, or stands. And the last one should be 2 draws. So that's all for this deck. If you're wondering what deck case this is Spectral Duke Dragon and Spectral Duke Sleeve here. And okay, subscribe and thanks for watching.